never knew how I would die, but I knew I was going to die tomorrow. So,
Bella, be honest with me. Does this bathing suit show my butt?
yes, it does. Oh, hey, Bella. Who are you? I'm Alice, his sister. Do you splash out a lot? Yeah. I'm just kidding. I just like to do it. It's fun. But you smell good. Okay. Edward, can you help me?
Die, sister!
I can never die. I'm a vampire. Did you really kill your sister?
I don't know.
Hey, Bella. Jacob? Ah! Wolfhours argument! Watch out!
Owie.
You were a wolf? Yeah!
Edward, be honest with me. Does this dress make me look fat?
You're not wearing a dress.
Yes. Yes, it does. The heck is her
What
problem?
is going on?
I don't know!
My dress is...
I moon you. I'm giving you a moon. Moon you. Moon you.
I'm Rosalie.
Moon you!
Oh, yeah. Ow, I just poked myself. This is probably a really bad Twilight show.
So, it's funny.
No, it's not. Oh,
Freak
Jacob.
Freak dance. Oh yeah, freak dance. Oh yeah, freak dance, freak dance, freak dance. I'm doing the freak dance.
What are you doing, Edward?
The freak dance.
Joe!
I landed in a car.
Hey, I'm just a girl caught in the middle of this. You have a bad voice. So do you. No, I don't.
You suck!
Ah! You like me.
I have a paper clip on my butt.
Wait. Hey, what am I?